So this car here, it's a Camry. The air conditioning is not working. We've topped the refrigerant, and within 5 hours, it stopped working again. So we detected that there was a leak from the evaporator, which is right under here. The evaporator is right under here, like within here. So we're gonna be taking out the dashboard to have access to the evaporator. Yeah, so taking out the dashboard, you'd have to start by this is an hybrid car, so you can see the battery is not in front here. The 12-volt battery is right behind here. So you start by opening up the trunk and taking out the negative terminal. After taking out the negative terminal, you would have to just wait for like 1 minute or two to let every capacitors and whatever discharge inside. After which, we'll prepare our tools. These are most of the tools we'll be using. All plastic trim removal, Torx wrench, 24 sockets for losing the steering wheel, 10mm wrench for losing some 10 bolts and all. Then we need screwdrivers and everything will be done. That's pretty much everything we need right now. Careful here, because this is the airbag. Fucking careful. And the steering wheel, make sure the steering wheel is centered before you take out all this shit. This guy not strong. I'll have to hold it in place with this electric tape so that we do not mistakenly have it turned and snap our airbag ribbon. Just hold it in place and stop it from turning. Okay. There you go. Next time we start this out. Wait, everything is coming down.
US. Academy. If you come sit down and start calculating everything, most of that depends. So I should So you work on one dashboard.
Yeah, repair. I was wrapping the dashboard. With rock. That's one thing about vehicle repairs. You cannot be too in a hurry. The evaporator is right under this guy here. So this is another job. You would have to take out this spring here. It's held in place by this top wrench here. 2 of it here, 3 on the other side. And there will be a lot of harnesses moving here and there around to get this frame out of the way. After getting this frame out of the way, then you can get access to this evaporator here. We might not do all these on camera. Yeah, I couldn't have the whole process on video like I said, but this is the whole dashboard out, and that's the evaporator. It had this bolt holding it here to the body that's outside over there. So this is the evaporator. And we'll be opening it up to get the evaporator itself out. This is where the evaporator is. This is where the evaporator is, and this is the process required to take out the dashboard. It's quite a long process, but that's some things we have to do to get this done. Yeah, that's the evaporator they're coming out. So that's what we need to replace, and you can see how wet it is here. This is the AC refrigerant leaking out. Although this is the oil, but the oil comes out with refrigerant. It's a sign of leakage. You can see how wet it is. Yeah, so we are about putting everything back in place. Like, I'm installing all the wire harnesses back, and we've replaced the evaporator. But there's something I didn't show you guys when I was taking out this dashboard frame. There was this bolts that were hiding behind this kind of wire, like this kind of rubber here. So these are the bolts. You have to take out this rubber to actually access them. This is for the right thing. This is it. So taking them out is, after you take them out, that's when you can now take out this evaporator. These are heater pipes. No, these are the heater pipes, and this is for the evaporator. And we replace the evaporator, and we'll be assembling this list here because I had to take out the wiper engine and these bracings here, these bracings and plastic to access them. So pretty much not much thing to lose or disassemble here. This is where the whole work is. This is where the whole work is. Yeah, so I've installed everything. It's time for me to install the dashboard back.
Sorry, man.
Is it covered?
I don't know, maybe it's covered inside.
They might have removed the bulb entirely. Yeah, so everything is back in place, and this job took right about 6 hours or 7 hours to be completed. It took more than I even expected. So this is the evaporator. The car is on now. You can get the sound. It's an hybrid. So this is the evaporator that was replaced. This is the replaced evaporator, and it's a fix. And the AC is chilling now, and we're gonna observe it for how long it's gonna last before we replace it. Yeah.